Rascal Takes Off by Paul Jennings, illustrated by Bob Lee. Rascal wanted to fly like Bomber. "Flap your wings, Rascal," said Ben. Rascal flapped, but he did not fly. Sniff wanted to fly too. "Flap your wings, Sniff," said Sherry. Sniff flapped his wings. Up he went. "Good," said Sherry. Ruff wanted to fly too. "Flap your wings, Ruff," said Sherry. Ruff flapped his wings. Up he went. "Very, very good," said Sherry. "Have another try, Rascal," said Ben. "Flap very hard." Rascal flapped and flapped and flapped, but he did not fly. Rascal climbed a tree. He spread his wings and jumped. Poor Rascal, he did not fly. "Never mind," said Ben. "One day you will fly." Sniff flew over a tree. "Great," said Sherry. Shovel flew over a house. "Excellent," said Sherry. Ruff flew over a cloud. "Terrific," said Sherry. Rascal did not fly. He jumped over a dragonfly. The dragonfly sat on Rascal's nose. It tickled. Rascal sneezed and flew backwards. "Fantastic," said Ben. "But you have to go forwards." Rascal took a deep breath. He grew fatter and fatter. Then he flew forwards. "Amazing," yelled Ben. "Just amazing." You can find Rascal books in your school or public library. You can also visit the Paul Jennings official website.